How to change notification settings on Threads so you can control which alerts you receive and reduce unnecessary notifications. First, open the Threads app and tap your profile in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the two-line menu in the top right corner, then select Notifications. Here, you'll find several notification options you can customize. If you want a break from all notifications, tap Pause All and choose how long you'd like to mute them. To customize specific alerts, open Threads and Replies. Here, you can manage notifications for likes, replies, mentions, reposts, quotes, and more. Simply choose whether to receive notifications from everyone, profiles you follow, or turn them off, depending on your preference. Go back and tap Following and Followers to manage notifications for new followers, accepted follow requests, follow suggestions, and other follower-related activity. After adjusting your preferred settings, your changes are saved automatically, so there's nothing else you need to do. That's how you can change notification settings on Threads and customize your Threads notifications for a better experience. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.